everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video after a year. If you are new here, my name is Leha. You can follow me on Instagram. The handle will be here. Last month, Glossier had a summer sale on their website. Everything was 20% off at the time, so I got a few products from them. This is the box that it comes with. I already done an unboxing video in my Instagram. You can go check it out if you want to. I have everything inside this bag. As usual, they come in a pouch like this from Glossier. I bought 5 products from them, including the bag. The first one is the stretch concealer. The second one is the cloud paint in the shade, I think Storm. Yeah, Storm. Third one is their mascara, their lash sleeve. And the last one is their boy brow in a color black. This is the bag. I really wanted this beauty bag because look at it. It's so pretty. The inside is like this. It has this little sleeve and a little divider compartment. You can take it out if you just want to use the bag itself without the compartment. 2 samples of cloud paint in Dawn and Dust. If you see from the title, today I'm gonna be trying some of the Glossier makeup products, and I'm gonna give you my first impression. For those who are not aware about Glossier, Glossier is a beauty brand that promotes skin first and makeup second. That you have to take care of your skin and you only have to wear small amount of makeup to look your best. This makes their makeup products have a very skin-like finish. So which product should I try first? I have nothing on my face right now. I have done my skincare. I think I'm gonna go with the boy brow because I'm feeling kind of naked with my barely there brows right now, so I'm just gonna do that. This is the product. I got the one in the shade black. I hope it works on me. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit. That is so close. I'm gonna try the product. I heard a lot of good things about their brow products. So what do you think? I really like it. I mean, the color payoff is not too intense, so it is very easy to work with, and I'm very glad I went with that because the tint is not too intense. You know what I mean? It's very effortless, and yeah, it's just so easy to put on. And I do not have like a very defined brows because I don't like to shape them too much. I don't really like the very defined look. Yeah, this product, I like it. I'm just gonna do the second brow and I will come back. I'm gonna put some of my hair out because it's getting really hot. The second product we're gonna try is the stretch concealer. I got the one in G9, and to be honest, I'm a bit nervous about the shade because when I look at it, it's a bit light for me. But in the website, it was described as a warm medium tone, which I believe I am. I am a warm medium person, but let's see. Let's look at the texture first. It is very creamy. It's so easy to blend at the back of my hand. I think the shade is not bad. I'm gonna try this under my eyes. I'm gonna use my finger to do that. I'm gonna bring you closer again. Here we are, up close and personal again. So I'm just gonna use my finger. This is the first layer. What do you think? Maybe I should add on another one. If you ask me, to be honest, it looks so good in real life. It looks almost like skin. The term stretch concealer is very spot on because it has the ability to move together whenever you move your face, I believe it won't crack. However, I'm gonna have to set this concealer down because it is very creamy and I really like the finish. It is something that I look for whenever I try new makeup, which is something that looks very subtle and almost skin-like. So another product that I like, I'm gonna do my other eye, but I'm gonna use a makeup brush to apply my concealer. So this side is where I apply with my finger and this one is with my brush, but I prefer the one with my finger because even though with the brush I still have to go over with my finger and have to smooth out the lines, so I just prefer to apply it with my finger. I don't have their foundation. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put the concealer on the highest point of my face, like my cheeks, maybe a little bit around my nose to cover the redness, and around my lips. It does cling a little bit on the dry patches around my nose, as you can see here. I'm gonna try to remove the dry patches with this micellar water and try to apply the concealer again. It's looking better now that the dry patches have been removed. I don't see any more texture around my nose, so that's good. And now I'm using a brush to apply the product on the area where I have pimple scars, and this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good for me. Before I move to the blush, I'm just gonna powder a little bit. I don't have their powder, but I'm using this one from Charlotte. I have to powder because if I don't, it's gonna be messy, especially in this weather on my combination skin. Not good. This is the cloud paint in the shade Storm, so it comes with a seal. From the swatch, it looks like a burnt red with a neutral to warm undertone, which the tone that I prefer because I have medium undertone. Let's try it on my cheeks. It's so pretty. The color is just, I don't have any color like this. I'm gonna place it here. Just a little amount first. Whoa. I'm gonna put a little more. Because the color is quite warm, I'm gonna bring it across my cheek and on my nose as well to create this sun-kissed look that I really like. You gotta be careful whenever you apply the blush on your nose because you don't want to overdo it, or else you will look like that you are not well. Maybe you look like you are having a flu. So I'm trying to avoid that. Since I don't have any eye products, any eyeshadow products from them, I'm just gonna use the same blush on my eyes and maybe on my lips a little bit. We are going to move on to the last product that I bought, which is their mascara, their lash slick mascara. That's a bit hard to pronounce. Comes in this pink tube, this baby pink tube, which is very cute. Again, I'm gonna move you guys closer so that you can see me apply the product. This is how it looks like. What do you think? I would say it is lengthening but not volumizing. For everyday look, maybe it is okay, but if I wear more heavy makeup, I don't think I will go for this mascara. This is how it looks on both eyes. I have these two lip glosses where I purchased this before. My lips feel a little bit dry with only the blush on, so I am gonna put this one in the shade Rouge. This is how the makeup turned out. I really like how the finish is. Let's do a little recap on the products that I used today. For the concealer, I like it very much. I like how it looks on my skin. It is very creamy, it is very easy to blend. The concealer is very suitable for everyday use. You can use it on the go because you can just apply it with your finger. And then the boy brow is also very good as well. It is very effortless, it's easy to use, it's not too intense on my eyebrows. The third one is the blush. The blush also has a very good color payoff. It's not too intense, it's not too light. I like the color that I chose. The last one is the mascara. For me, the mascara is okay. I feel like I can get a better mascara with that price. I prefer a mascara which is more volumizing instead of just lengthening because I don't have much lashes. I find that the mascara one is a little bit flimsy for me. If you can see here, like you can move it very easily. I will be more happy if it's more sturdy. If I were to choose my most favorite product and my least favorite product, the mascara is my least product, but my most favorite product out of all the products is the concealer. And overall, all the products perform very well and I am very happy with my purchase. Even the bag itself, I like it very much. I cannot wait to use this bag when we can travel again, but for now I can just use it to store my everyday makeup products. The beauty bag also comes with this dust bag, so if I don't want to use it now, I can just store it in this dust bag and keep it very clean and tidy. So I guess that's all for today from me. I hope you enjoyed this little review and first impression. If you would like to purchase Glossier product, I have a 10% discount code for first-time customers, but unfortunately they only ship within USA. I got mine from a personal shopper. I will link everything in the description box below. You can watch the unboxing reel in my Instagram, and please follow me as well if you like beauty product and skincare. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.